If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. Today we're gonna be making air fried falafel. That is right, it's not gonna be baked, it's not gonna be deep fried, it's gonna be air fried. So I've been really loving this air fried falafel from the day I started making them, and I learned how to make them, and trust me, they are so easy to make it, and there's not too much of oil, there's no such work that you have to deep fry them and all that stuff. It's super quick and clean ingredients. It's gonna have a lot of flavor because it has spices, it has herbs, it has all the good flavor that is in my kitchen. Anyways, let me just show you the ingredients and then we can start cooking. Over here I have a food processor. You're gonna need a food processor so that you can just blend up everything together. I have some olive oil. These are chickpeas. So what I did to them is that I soaked them overnight and I drained all the water and let them dry properly, and here they are. I have some lemon, some red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, some parsley and cilantro. I have toasted sesame seed. You want to take toasted sesame seed because not you're going to give a raw flavor then. And I have some cumin powder, some black pepper, salt and baking soda, some paprika to give it a little bit of kick, and some coriander powder. So these are the things you're gonna need to make air fried falafel, and it's very simple. You don't have to do anything much. What you want to do is take your food processor, add chickpeas in, add the onion, the garlic clove, aside for now, parsley and cilantro, add everything in. And then you want to add the toasted sesame seed, coriander, all the spices, like just everything in one food processor. And I'm going to add olive oil. And for the exact ingredients and recipe, the link will be in the description box below to this recipe and to my website, so that you can browse around some more recipe in my website and also check out this amazing recipe. So I'm just gonna blend it, and once it's done, I'm gonna show you how it looks after blended. Okay guys, so you can see they have come out to be amazing. I mean, they are all blended, there are no chunky pieces. It's green color because there is parsley and cilantro, so that is why. And you can see, oh my god, it smells amazing. Anyways, I have my air fryer basket over here, and I'm just gonna spray some avocado oil on the bottom. Keep it aside for now, and make sure your hands are clean. Mine are absolutely clean. I'm gonna take a little bit of ball, make a nice ball out of this, and just place it in your air fryer. It's that simple. Let me show you another one. Take a ball, like so. Place it here. And I am going to air fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And they are going to be crispy, air fried, delicious, everything together. And I'm also going to show you which sauce I'm going to pair it with this falafel, and I will also give you the link to that sauce in the description box below and also in the card above. So I'm going to air fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and once they are done and crispy, I'm going to show it to you then. Okay, so one important step before putting this in the air fryer, you want to take your avocado oil or whatever oil you have and spray on your falafels, and yeah, they are ready to go in the air fryer and bake for 20 minutes. Okay guys, they are ready and I'm super excited to taste them. You can see how delicious they look. Oh my god, their size is absolutely divine. I love it. I love big falafel, so let's just taste them. Okay. delicious. Anyways, let's go ahead and taste. The flavors and this piece, I'm gonna taste it. Excuse me. With tzatziki sauce. So this is the sauce that I love to pair with my falafels. So let's dip in a deep. You don't even want to know how good they are. Oh my god. They're so crispy from the outside and soft and delicious and flavorful from the inside. They're absolutely delicious. And you can see the card above for this tzatziki sauce, which you can pair with your falafel. It is just the perfect combination. And I hope you guys enjoy my recipes. Don't forget to give me likes, subscribe, and see you in my next episode. Bye bye.